Hello everyone. So this class we are going to learn how to draw a bird. So for that we need a plain white sheet, pencil, eraser and all pastels I am using here for the coloring. So let's start. So first of all we need to draw a wings. So we'll start from the wings. Just make it like this. Then for the head, just make a curve. This is the tail. It's the beak. And now we'll make the eye. So for the eye here, just make a circle and inside that one more small circle like this. So the opposite side wing will be here. Like this. And now we'll draw the legs. Like this. So in this picture this bird is going to sit on a branch. So here down we'll make a branch. So now let's draw a tree over here. So now our picture is completed and we'll start the coloring. So for the coloring here I'll apply yellow color. So we'll apply both the colors, light yellow and dark yellow. So just start with light yellow. So I'll start from here. So this light yellow we need to apply for the tail also. And now just take dark yellow. And just apply from upside towards down. and that same dark color apply on these areas. So for the wig and the crown, we'll apply red color. And for the eye, inside this small circle, we'll apply black color like this. And now we'll apply brown color to the branch. So now for the leaves, we'll apply dark green and light green. So first we'll start with the dark green. So this down side, just apply dark green. So now the tree is completed, and we'll apply color for the sky. So for the sky, just take sky blue and just start applying very lightly over here like this. So now you can see our picture is completed. So it's very easy, just follow me, follow the instructions and try this at your home. Thank you.